Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Davis to 6 miles southeast of Durand to Rockford Airport to near Davis Junction, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Orfordville, Footville, Como, Hale Lake, and Potter Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for south-central and southeastern Wisconsin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.